Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Crypto Nightly. So we got an exciting one for you guys. Oh, geez. I don't know what it said. Oh, Twitter's giving me issues. Well, Jerome Powell saves Bitcoin. We're going to talk about what he did, what he said, and what he didn't say. So if you're in the crypto markets right now, it might be bullish news, might be a good time to, long Bitcoin. But let's see. We're going to talk about it. Let's get started. Ooh. Hey there, man. How we doing?
What's up? What's up?
Dude. So you see, I'm having an issue with my Twitter, but it's okay. I will deal with it. Other than that, everything is good, man. I'm just getting over this COVID. Could have been worse. I took a whole bunch of drugs this morning, so I felt great. I went to the doctors, had a big headache there. Apparently, all of the Adderall is done. So at this point, it's kind of like, why would I ever go to a doctor's when I can just buy my Adderall on the streets like a degenerate and probably get it faster, cheaper, and easier than I can from the doctor that I went to get my freaking Adderall in the first place? Anyways.
Mess around and get some fentanyl mixed in there, though. That's the only problem.
Depends on where you're at. Look, drafting in 58 minutes. Don't you worry. He reminded me, Johnny, at the beginning of the stream. He said, I got approximately an hour and a half while we were talking off screen until the draft. But shout out to Johnny Tran. Look, I got my risk tank. Oh, geez. He got the thing up. He pulled it up. I was about to show off my necklace, and you had to cock block.
My bad.
Bro, I was saying my risk tank. I got my risk tank here. It's amazing. Received it. Hype. Desert has his, and he's wearing an amazing shirt, which ironically, I have an article written by a crypto analyst that obviously was smoking crack at the time he wrote the article. So if you guys are looking for the most bullish article that you have ever read, we're going to talk about it. It's going to be great.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, to all you people out there that held XRP last cycle, thought you were going to be millionaires, and then sold it at the bottom of the market, you probably shouldn't have done that.
All right.
Probably shouldn't have done that. I'll tell you what. But, all right. I mean, what else you got going on? How was your day, man? You worked today, didn't you?
Yeah, I worked, bro. It was crazy. I was in the hinterlands with no internet. I couldn't do any trading. I was in some trades early this morning. Pretty much got stopped out in profit on both of them. And then before I could re-enter, I was out in the hinterlands. I come back, I start getting internet and reception, and I look down, Bitcoin's at 64,000. I'm like, like, what's going on? So that's been my day.
Yeah. Well,
and now it's so freaking overheated that
now you got short.
Now it got short.
So let's see what else we got going on. More bullish on Cardano. Chang will change the game. I agree 110%. I honestly truly believe that the crypto analyst was smoking crack. So when we go over that article, it'll be obvious that if he wasn't smoking crack, he was smoking something. I'll tell you that right now.
Well, I told you guys yesterday I did sell a bunch of CNTs into Cardano specifically for this pump.
Yeah. And so tell me about your shirt. I see that shirt you got on there. Is it just coincidence that we got that on at the same time I have this crazy article?
It is coincidence, but the reason I'm wearing it though
Okay.
So
Let's
big
hear
reason.
about it. Let's talk about it. There's got to be a big reason.
Apparently, my opinions on Cardano are misrepresentations of the facts. So I'm selling all my Cardano, and I am now an XRP maxi.
And that's pretty crazy. Everybody that's got anything in Cardano, you know what I mean? Like, when he sells, if you believe in Cardano, you should probably buy in, because as we know, Desert typically holds at least 10% of every project that he's into. So 10% of the entire ADA market cap is in one of Desert's cold storage wallets. So if he's about to sell all of that and go into XRP, you know what I'm saying?
Well, I'm just saying. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to Cardano. I might as well just switch over to XRP. You know what I mean? People getting all butthurt.
Where you know even less. Start fresh.
I know XRP. I just got to become a banker, right?
Yeah. That's right. That's right. All right. So let's see. What else we got going on? So, dude, I'm so excited about the trading bot, right? I was looking at some articles about the Kuma Droid trading bot. I played a little bit with the test beta, and it works, you know?
So is it in? It's live, right? Like it can be used right now?
It can be used right now.
Maybe I will set something up this weekend.
Yeah. It's definitely worth doing it. You know, Aaron was saying maybe right now just put a small bag in.
Oh, because, well, yeah, of course.
But
I'm not gonna YOLO. I'm not gonna YOLO all my money into Kraken and start going to that trading.
Just not yet. You know what I mean? A little bit down the road, yeah, sure, maybe. But he was saying, you know, that it works. You know, and I was looking at it. I was checking it out, playing with it a little bit. I mean, it looks pretty dope. But what Jade was saying is that they're only using 3% of its capacity. He said, just wait until it starts being able to work on perpetuals markets, right? Futures and all kinds of different stuff all at the same time, simultaneously.
Oh, yeah, we start doing Forex and everything. Oh, man.
But he was just talking about being able to do futures while opening up a whole bunch of different size positions throughout the whole thing.
You know, but does Kraken have futures?
Yeah, dude.
No, for accredited investors.
No, dude. Yeah. I think Kraken Pro, I believe. I don't think you have to be.
No. The United States government will not allow that. Kraken is a United States company. If that's true, then why the hell am I using MEXC and FEMEX?
Yeah, over 160 perpetuals using leverage.
Right, but you have to meet qualifications because Coinbase has perpetuals too, but you got to meet qualifications. There's a bunch of criteria.
Oh.
I would almost guarantee it.
But anyways, the bot will be able to do that on Kraken, so
that'll be awesome.
You know, we'll see what's going on.
As long as you qualify, you know what I mean. As long as you qualify. So with Coinbase, it's you got to take a little test. You got to take a little test about your knowledge, and then you have to have like $50,000. You have to either make X amount of money a year, or you have to have $50,000 in assets, or something like that.
And you know, here's the alpha though, right? If Kuma Droid can basically go from a free mint to being worth almost one whole soul, which I mean it could be above one whole soul at this point, but go all the way to one whole soul. One JPEG boss is woefully undervalued.
Right.
That's all I have to say with that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the market. Let's talk about some stuff we got going on. The mints have actually been rolling in, which has been exciting to see. And I think that when we have some more partnerships and collaborations, it'll be even more exciting.
And before we get into it, everybody do us a favor, like, share, subscribe, share it with a friend. If you're on Rumble, we've been getting some pretty good views on Rumble. If you're on Rumble, give us a Rumble, give us a follow. If you're on YouTube, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're on Twitter, tag some DGens, repost the stream. Make sure you're following everybody on the ticker underneath, and mint a boss.
Amazing.
All right. Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
You know what
So let's get rid of that. I guess it is, unless John wants to go on after I get off, it is going to be kind of a condensed stream, so I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time on the charts. I mean, my brain is freaking swimming. I drank one of these freaking neurotropic freaking
They're good.
cans.
They're good.
They are good. I mean, I'm not a big energy drink, and these are freaking good. But I need that. I need to save that brain power for my draft here in a little bit, which I'm probably going to bomb because I can barely think straight with everything going on. Let's go ahead and present. It's weird. You notice you feel sicker when you're like sitting down?
Yes.
I don't know what it is. So I was up running around and I had like the cold sweats while I was working, but I could breathe and I didn't feel bad. The moment I sit down for more than 5-10 minutes, it's like, can't breathe. You're fucking, But either way, enough complaining, enough being whiny little freaking crybabies about a cold. Let's freaking move on.
Dude, right. I actually my parents had some friends just come over and I was wearing a mask because my uncle is in remission for cancer and my dad is 81. And then they come in and they're like, what's up? I was like, I got COVID, so I'm just trying to not get these old people sick, And then they're like, it's just a cold. Take that thing off. Come give us a hug and all this stuff. And I was just like, these freaking ignorant people are going to get my old freaking dad and my uncle with cancer. They're going to kill him. And they're going to take him out. They're going to go drinking. You know what I mean? I was like, these people. We need to get these people.
It's a little different. It's a little different when you're dealing with the immunosuppressed, type people. That I understand.
Immunocompromised. Yeah.
Desert is a pro poker player. No. All right.
No,
I don't know. I must have too many windows open, but I'm glitching. So either way, we're just gonna roll with it tonight.
Next time, I do want to play at Rare Evo. I will say that.
Do what?
I do want to play next time at Rare Evo.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. I just, my opinion was I might as well just go hand it to somebody because I don't have the patience, especially tournament style. There's no way I could just sit there and concentrate on the game the whole time. All right, so market cap, huge pump today, up 3.9%, coming in at $2.354 trillion. We got a nice little spike in volume today. We're back over 100 at 108 billion. Bitcoin dominance up a couple points to 53.6. Ethereum exactly the same. And even with all this volume and what's going on, Gwei is still less than 1. So we got Bitcoin up 5% today at 63,955. We got Ethereum coming in at 27.55, up 4.3%. BNB almost back to 6 notes at 589. We got Solana coming in at 152. XRP Army coming in at 60 cents. No real pump, though. We got Toncoin coming in at 672, up 2.8%. Dogecoin with a little pump, up 11 cents, up 6.1. And Cardano retakes the lead over Tron, coming in at 39.24 with a 4.1% pump. Look at that weekly, man. 19.2% on the week. That is the biggest gainer in the top 10. I say top 10, it says top 11, but Lido DAO don't work. That don't count. If we're on CoinMarketCap, it'd be in the top 10. All right, 24 hours. Let's see our biggest movers. Ordinals. I thought ordinals are dead. Ordinals up 21.8%. ASI, I bet Crypto King's loving that. Up 18.3% today. What is this? Okay.
Yep, I'll be right back.
Okay. Let me open this back up.
Also, if you happen to, when you get into the actual charts, leave it for last. I'm sure I'll be right back. It should not take me long at all. But I want to look at what XMR.
Monero?
Yeah, Monero. I got an article on that one. It's kind of interesting.
Okay, we can do that.
The person that wrote it isn't smoking crack, but it's still pretty bullish, you know.
All right. All right, we got Psy with a 17.6%. I love seeing that. I've been so underwater on this freaking bag. It's crazy. Swee back up over $1, up 17%. Core up 5.7. Gala, ain't seen Gala up here in a while, up 14%. And it just keeps going. A lot of double-digit gainers today. Looking very nice. Losers, do we have any? Oh, just a little bit. BitTorrent, that makes sense. On the Tron network, coming down a little bit. 0.5. And then it looks like we get into stables pretty much. These are almost all stables, except for Leo token, which is an exchange token. I want to say Bitfinex exchange token, I believe. Let's get into the overall market. Oh, U.S. front and center. Green across the day with a giant dip on the VIX. That is definitely bullish for everybody out there. So we got the Dow Jones up over 1%. We got the S&P up over 1%. NASDAQ at almost 1.5, and the Russell 2X at 3.19, and the VIX is down 10%. That's beautiful to see right there. Pre-market is probably not open. Okay, I guess it is open, but I don't know exactly when or how that works because it's not until Monday. But the Dow up 1% pre-market, S&P up 1%, NASDAQ up 1%. Oil, we don't like to see that, is up 2.67%, and the 10-year bond is down. So if these numbers hold on the futures, we could have a banger come Monday. We could just start Monday off and just keep going higher. Let's see here. Let's look at Asia. So apparently Asia trades on Saturdays. I'm not sure why these are showing active. Or maybe these are, what is that? No, 5:01 p.m. Australian time. So yeah, I don't know if these are active or not. I really couldn't tell you how those markets work. But I mean, the Nikkei is up, Shanghai is up. Yeah, I don't think these are active. I'm not exactly sure, but either way. All right, let's get into the charts. I'm not really going to go over too much. I mean, Bitcoin's pumping. We all know it. Let's look at the daily. Let's come down. Boom, the daily is above the 200. That is super bullish. That is extremely bullish for everybody. Look, the 50 is making a hard arc to the upside. We could see this gap close into a golden cross very quick. We could do something like this. And then when the daily catches up, all that back data starts to catch up, come like this maybe. Just kind of arc. And boom, maybe around the first week of September or sooner, could see some kind of golden cross on the daily. That would be extremely bullish. Money flow nice into the green. VWAP with a little bit coming down. Momentum heading up nice. Let's see. Whoops. Let's see what the RSI is doing. RSI is good. Don't really see any divergences or anything. That's good. I do expect we are super extended from the 21. We really need to see this 21 start to curve to the upside. Let's get rid of these other ones. I mean, we need to see something like this. And I mean, this can keep going and ride the 21 up, you know what I mean, without actually hitting it. If we do some back data, see, we look back here at this pump back here, see how the 21 finally curved and it just kind of rode along with it and eventually come back and touch it. Boom. And then eventually touched it and then bounced through it. So it'll always come back to the 21, but you got to take in time frame into account. So the daily, even though it's got to come back to the 21, it could take 2 freaking weeks because that's only 14 candles versus on the hour, that would only be 14 hours. You know what I mean? So looking good, definitely looking good. Still need to see us. We are still in this overall. We are still in this overall pattern right here. So I'd really like to see us come up here. It looks like we broke through some resistance that we had. Come up here and touch this. Maybe over the next couple days. Kind of like probably hit it. Maybe come down. Retest it. Break through. Off to the moon. You know what I mean? Something like that. Let's get rid of that. Let's go down to the hour. We drew this the other day. We were talking about. Whoa. That is not what I wanted. All right. As you see, we had this wedge the other day, and we drew the little thing, how we broke through it, and I said we had to come back to the 21 and touch, and then we broke through it again, and then boom, off to the races. Totally overshot the pole that I had because I only had this measured right here. Actually, it looks like we came right back down to it. So beautiful breakout on the hourly. I do expect us, just like that day, just like the other day, I do expect us to come back down here to the 21, maybe retest this right here at about 63 and some change overnight going into the weekend. You never know. We do got a nice retracement on the momentum here. Is coming back down. So momentum's to the downside. VWAP's under the 0, still pointed down a little bit. Money flow's coming down. So I do expect to see a retracement over the next couple hours, at least going until tomorrow. It doesn't necessarily mean that's going to happen. Bitcoin has a mind of its own, but that's what I would expect. And if it's still showing signs like this tonight, I may look deeper, look for some kind of short or something like that. So let's look at the coin that we don't know anything about, and that would be Cardano. Let's get into the daily real quick. We are still outside of that pattern. That is freaking awesome. Look at that. We finally made it above the 50.
So we broke
Remember,
through.
we were talking about that yesterday, that we were hitting our head on the 50. We had to break through it. Well, today we blew right through the 50. It looks like we're bouncing. Purple is the 100, I think. I think that's the 100. The 80. So purple is the 80. So we're bouncing our head off the 80. It looks like we broke through it, and we're kind of retesting it right now. But definitely looking good for Cardano. Money flow into the green. VWAP coming down. Money flow curving. So we could see a little retracement. It would not surprise me. So what do we got? We got Chang on the 27th.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, they actually, it's not the 27th anymore. I think it's the September. Like,
Oh,
it
so
might
it's
still be
September 3rd now then.
September 1st is what I heard from Charles.
Well, the article we read last night that
Yeah.
if it wasn't going to be on the 27th, the next date is the 3rd.
Yes. Charles said today that all of these huge exchanges like Binance and all these big VCs, all these huge people have been talking crap about how slow that Cardano is. And now when it's time to upgrade to Chang and get your big boy pants and update your nodes, they're all acting too slow. So now it's going to be September 1st, I think, is where they're like looking at it again. I mean, it still might end up being the 3rd, but that was what Charles was saying. He was like,
we'll look into that more and get you guys a story tomorrow. But for now,
yep,
we're gonna mark it on the 27th. There we go. Come on, man. There we go. And we'll put a mark on the 1st. So, but I could see something like this. So like as we get closer to the 27th, watch this come down and maybe retest. Maybe not that low. That's a big retracement. Maybe not come down so low, but at least come down here as the 21 comes up like this.
Can I share it? I found it.
Did you find it? Yeah. For sure.
So it's this one. He said the magic of deadlines is that people who aren't taking upgrades seriously suddenly say, damn, we got to get moving. When they are moving, we converge quickly. It looks like Binance and a few others need more time to get their houses in order. So the rocket is going to have to wait on the pad another epoch for the weather to get better. Next Chang hard fork window is September 1st.
Okay. So there we go.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Oh, see, I seen the I did see the tweet below it. I seen his response to JPEG Store, but I didn't have a chance to like look into it because I was on the run. So okay. Hosky, get your shit together.
Dude, and then Clark right here. Charles, we need to have a meeting of the minds and the cabal push one shitter from Rocket. I'm talking market makers, paid KOLs, supply control, organic, of course. What do you say? Save the Jane Clark. We need this. A lot of people have been saying that. We just need one golden shitter to come out of one of these meme coins.
Right.
Crazy.
So I could definitely see something like that. If we don't break this 80, we get like a retracement. We could come down as the 21 comes up, maybe come down, give the 21 a little kiss, and then take back off. But it's definitely bullish. We are broken out the pattern. I mean, even when you break out of patterns, you still retest. You know what I mean? I don't know what the percentage is, but quite often you retest the pattern. So that's looking good. Let's go down. Let's see what the hourly says. Hourly's not looking too bad. I mean, we are just riding. We do have a bearish div on the momentum and pretty much a bearish div on the RSI. But that could be as simple as coming down and retesting the 21 here, or coming down and retesting this line of resistance that I had drawn right here. This was a second breakout point that I was looking at earlier. So still up and to the right, baby, up and to the right. John wants to look at XRM. Where would we look? No, it's XMR, not XRM. My bad. Like, why is that not coming up? XMR. Well, we're talking about Kraken. Let's look at Kraken. So what are we looking at, John?
I mean, look at that, though. I mean, that is bullish. If I've ever seen bullish, that's bullish.
Oh, wow. That's the hourly, huh?
Yeah. You know?
Let's look at the daily then.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's still pretty bullish.
So
I mean,
yeah, it looks like we were in this.
Doesn't that
so
look
we're
like
in this pennant right here. This pennant or falling wedge, or however you want to call it.
Broke out.
I would say that this right here is like a fake out right here. It's like a false move because you have more touches inside 1, 2, 3, 4. We're riding it, and we finally broke out. So if we pull a measured move off of that,
I'm going to just give you the quick skinny on what this article is talking about. They're saying Monero makes a comeback. Why analysts are eyeing a 176% rally, which this is interesting to me because it says the trading value for Monero has surged by 30% on daily charts as prices rose by 11.7%. And it says Monero seems to be coming back from its legal woes as analysts eye 176% rally. Monero is something that I'm really bullish on. It says the recovery has seen Monero trade at 168. What is it currently at? He said at time of writing. So, I mean, it's like, it's higher than that.
we're at 174.
Yeah.
This is the measured move out of this pendant, and it puts it at 223.
I mean, that's crazy.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't see any. I mean, we're really not overheated on anything. You know, we got a lower low, we got a lower high. We are extremely far away from the 21. I don't like seeing that, but I mean, everything else is looking decent on the daily.
Would you take profit into Monero towards the end of the market run?
No,
You wouldn't?
too volatile.
Yeah, but I mean, like, if Monero was still, like, you know what I mean, pumping and the market still had some time, would you shift into Monero, go to a decentralized exchange, right, get what you actually want, and then put it in a new wallet?
How is that going to do anything?
Well, you have that privacy aspect of Monero. You could really
decentralized exchange. Okay.
Yeah. Decentralized exchange, because you wouldn't be able to, like, you know what I mean, and then you could just cash out what you wanted to cash out, as opposed to, you know what I'm saying?
I don't care about hiding my money.
That's fair. That's fair. You know, but I think Monero is cool if you are. I think if you're a miner, it makes sense for that to be something you'd want to mine, like as a backup.
Yeah, but you could do that you can mine anything.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, if it's a wallet, if it's a fresh wallet that's never been connected to anything, and has no ties, no transactions, no nada, then yeah, you can mine anything. But I mean, I like Monero. I like the concept of Monero. I like the premise of Monero. I like what it stands for. But I'm not going to trade it. I don't know. I've just never really looked that.
You don't like privacy coins really that much, though, do you? You don't think they're that interesting unless you're going to use them for something, probably.
I wouldn't say that. It's not that I don't like privacy coins.
They're not interesting to you. You're not.
I just don't ever think about them, bro. I don't feel one way or the other about privacy coins.
Gotcha.
I don't think about them. I don't look into them. I don't know.
Dude, I still like Ator. Wait, will you look at that real quick? What price point is Ator at right now? I freaking fumbled the hell out of that one because I fumbled it.
Did you end up selling?
I did end up selling, and I sold at a top. So I mean, it was cool, but I'm sure it's up now from where it was.
Look at this on TradingView. Let's look at. No, there's only one, just a TradingView, huh? So it's not on any. It's not on any exchanges. Ator protocol, right?
It is on. It is on. It is on MEXC.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, USDT. Okay, there we go. It's not on the US dollar. That's why. And it's ATOR. Is that the ticket? Are you sure?
Yep.
Well, I got ATOR right now up. USDT. Are you positive it's on MEXC?
Yeah, that was where I was trading it before. I don't know if they took it off or something.
Let me see. I'll look right now. I got my app open.
Oh, well, in your app, you can see what the price point is.
I don't have a ATOR.
You don't?
No. Here, let's go to... Yeah, are you sure the ticker's ATOR, bro? Are you sure it's not like ATR?
Yeah, it is ATOR. Look, I found it on MEXC on the internet.
I'm literally on MEXC right now.
I know.
On the spot chain, and I have ATOR typed in.
Yeah, it used to be there. That's where I used to buy it from.
Maybe they removed it. I wonder.
They might have removed it.
It's not even coming up on freaking on CoinGecko here. Let's. Oh, I didn't mean to close.
So right now, it says that it's at $1.49. I sold it at 80 cents. What an idiot! I bought in at like 30 or 40 though.
Where do you see it at?
This is saying on MEXC on Google.
No, that's on Google. You're not literally on the chain, though.
Yeah, I'm not on it. It's just right here.
Why did you take? I was looking it up right now.
Yeah, go for it.
Air Tor protocol, correct?
Yeah, Tor protocol. Yep.
No, this says Air.
Well, I mean, yeah, but it's ATOR.
Air.
It's usually sure.
It's at 94 cents.
Oh, that's crazy. So it just dumped just now because it was just a few days ago at $1.50. Or no, is that a long chart? How long is that?
That's a 4-hour chart right there.
Oh, 4-hour chart. Okay, that was way
more. Oh, it had a huge dump. Look at that.
Yeah.
Huge dump on the 7th. It looks like it opened at 153 and it closed at 77. It took a 50% dump.
I wonder why. Maybe that was when it got taken off of MEXC.
I wonder if there's some there's something going on behind it. Announced in Q4 2023, AirTor has migrated to any one protocol to move your tokens over. Head to migration. Okay, so it's anyone. So it's changed. Valid till the end of 2024. The move to anyone brings a transfer. But what is the?
Oh, anyone protocol. It has changed its name and everything. Now it is literally the ticker is anyone. And it has 64.8K followers on Twitter.
There we go. Anyone protocol.
Yeah.
$1.06.
Still, 20 cents higher.
So AirTor protocol has been rebranded to anyone protocol. They migrated from their old contract to the new contract. That is why it is not on MEXC anymore.
Still bullish though. Because, I mean, if all they did was update the contract, you know what I mean? All those people probably flooded themselves out, you know what I mean?
It's just super weird, though, that... So it's only got an $85 million market cap. I mean, 79% of its supply is out, so 79 million coins out of 100 million. 752 trading volume, that's kind of low for something that's 85 million. But
I'll tell you why I liked it. Well, I mean, I might have already said this before.
I'm curious as to why they would have rebranded. Being such a small project, why did they rebrand? It's never a good look when you rebrand and change your ticker and everything like that. Unless there's some negative connotation on AirTor, like maybe they were getting sued or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
because it is like a dark web, a decentralized dark web thing, right? And it was so decentralized that Onion Network or whatever those.
Yeah, they wanted to kick them off for having actual no backdoor in it.
Right.
And they were growing so quick, and then that's why I liked it. You know what I mean? I thought that was bullish. The FUD was that they got kicked off for being too decentralized and too private.
Right.
I think if you're gonna go balls in.
Yeah, the thesis, the what it stands for is awesome. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's got to equate to money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So, other than that, that is the quick market update. I mean, XR, Monero. Did I look down lower? I mean, it's still got room to move. Oh no, yeah, we were looking at those. We got major bearish divs on XMR. As you can see right here. Come on. So I expect it to come back down to the 21. You know, but that would be good. You know, healthy retest, healthy little retracement. All right, I got 18 minutes left, bro. 18 minutes. Let's get into some stories. So I was watching Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole today. He only spoke for like 10 minutes. But I'm going to tell you what.
They said he was bullish.
He was super dovish, bro. Super.
Yeah, dovish.
You know what I mean? Yeah, he was just. It was a long time ago. I can't remember exactly what he said, but he was talking about the jobs report, how it's starting to dwindle out and phase out, and everything like that. So it's definitely he was definitely dovish, and the market reacted. You know, so I definitely see a cut coming. Still, you know, what are we going to see? 50, 25 or 50 is what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
You know, I lean more towards 25, but he could be scared now and go like, oh shit, we better do 50 because of the jobs report, you know, the 818,000 and the fact that we only came in at like 114,000 jobs last month.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know, but he did say that we are definitely on track to hit the 2%. So that's good. And then with the weak jobs report, the other half of his mandate, it's definitely looking bullish and the market's reacting. I think we're going to pump into September all the way up to the meeting. We'll have some, you know, some craziness around the meeting like always. Keep going, baby. Q4.
Yeah, man.
You got an article on it, right?
I did have an article on it. You basically summed it up. That's pretty much all they say. It says time has come for policy adjustment. I can put it up here. Yeah, I mean, let's see.
Oh,
this one. But yeah, so Bitcoin rose in the immediate aftermath of his remarks at Fed's Jackson Hole conference. As expected, Jerome Powell indicated that a rate cut is coming in September. Bitcoin and traditional markets, at least initially, have moved sharply higher, and investors will now focus on whether the initial cut will be 25 or 50 basis points. After long-awaited central bank rates, they basically go over what's going on. He says, my confidence has grown. The inflation is on a sustainable path back to 2%, right? And then so that, I mean, he's basically saying, hey, guys, chill out. We're about to do some cuts. Get your longs ready. We do not seek or welcome further cooling in the labor market conditions, and that has to do with everything that's going on there. You know what I mean?
right.
Like, the numbers were less than what they were revised less. That usually doesn't happen. And even though certain people aren't talking about it, when you watch certain television, you know what I mean? It's a whole thing. I mean, you know, we're going over some numbers, not a whole lot else here, just saying that it's bullish. Lower real estate, real interest rates tend to weigh on the value of the dollar and can support assets that compete with the dollar like gold and Bitcoin. So he's saying the power of the dollar is going to go down, so the prices of things in the stock market are going to go up. So like people see the value of the stocks and things going up and they think, oh, the market is bullish. But actually, sometimes it's just a weak dollar. That's pretty much what it's saying.
One thing that you just brought up right there about the housing market, I'll tell you what, here in Arizona, the housing market is starting to turn. I was just at a contractor meeting today for a new development, and the development is going to hold 567 houses. You know what I mean? And it's the same builder has multiple divisions. And I was driving through all my subdivisions today, and the houses are just pumping, you know. So, and that's Arizona. Arizona is kind of like a bellwether state when it comes to housing because of California. Same with Nevada. You know, Nevada's kind of a bellwether state because of California. And then, you know, well, pretty much all the purple and red states.
All right. So here's the one that we've all been waiting for.
Hold on. We got to address this real quick.
Okay.
The time to buy was last week, sir. The next best time to buy is probably today. I'm just saying. I do expect a little retracement though, marginal for whatever that's worth. You know, not to say we ain't going to keep pumping, but we do got to cool off just a little bit. So take that for what it's worth. But DCAing is never a bad idea.
All right. So here's the one that we're talking about, the crack smoking analyst. So crypto crack smoking analyst predicts a 42,263% breakout for XRP to $280. $280 XRP.
Yeah, that's fucking insane, bro. Where do these people come
Scott Matheson, whoever deals your drugs, sir, like, send me their number, please. That's great.
Bro, I would definitely love to live in that time warp or alternate reality.
Wherever it is that XRP hits 280, that's like the 568 thing. It's like, no, you're stupid. It's not going to hit 568 or 586 or whatever.
589, bro.
280, right. 589.
589.
Like, that's stupid. It's not going to hit 589, but 280. That's more realistic. Yeah.
You know what? Let's freaking.
Are you going to chart it?
I'm going to bring something up.
Are you going to chart it? All right. So anyways, it says based on the chart data, the price has formed a triangle pattern between 2014 and 2017, which led to the dramatic surge of $3.84 in the 2018 market. So this has been identified that has reemerged in the chart from 2018 to 2024. As a result, the analysts forecast that XRP is on track to witness a 42,263% surge, propelling it to an ambitious target of 262. It's like the editor saw this and they're like, wow. He said ambitious. That is ambitious, sir. You know? And then it would bring the cryptocurrency's price to around 250, 315. In his post, Mark notes the XRP was right at or near the point of a bullish breakout. He predicted that if XRP's price increases by 3 to 4% of its current price level, it will trigger that anticipated breakout. Okay, so this is approximately, it has been stuck in this triangle for 2,424 days. And so this guy that's smoking crack thinks that now is the time. It's finally here. And so, yeah, crazy.
Here. So I brought up, so you guys, this is a great website. It's called The Coin Perspective, and you can go in here and play around with it. You can set your target prices and stuff like that. So I put in XRP to $262.23. You want to know what the market cap would be?
14.7 trillion.
Yeah, just dropping a bucket.
I mean, look, that's a 432x, you know what I'm saying? And then when you think about how big the market is for, you know, all currency in circulation, period, like XRP can do that. It's going to take over all cross-border payments, especially between banks. Duh.
They do say Bitcoin is the poor man's XRP.
I mean, that's true.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Overall total crypto market cap is 2.3 trillion right now, but XRP is going to let me drop a 10K into XRP real quick. 100%.
Right. Exactly. Let me sell my house real quick. I'm going to take a flyer on this one. Because even if it only hits 100, bro. Even if it only hits 100.
Since we got this up real quick though, let me show you guys this website. It's a cool website. So we'll type in ADA. So we bring up ADA and we say if ADA had the freaking market cap. Come on, Bitcoin. Why won't it let me do that? What's going on? On reset. Okay. There we go. So if ADA had the market cap of Bitcoin, it would be worth $35. So, and you can do this for any coin. You can go in here and you can say, so if we think Ethereum is going to pass Bitcoin, you know what I mean? Put in Bitcoin. So for Ethereum to reach $10,458, it would have the same market cap as Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So it's a really cool site. You can go in, you can do your, so say we had 1.25 Ethereum, right? So right now, 1.25 Ethereum would be worth $34.32. And at this rating right here, you know, of Ethereum to Bitcoin, we have the potential of making 13.1K. So, you know, and if we change this to say BNB, we lost 74% of our portfolio.
Dang.
So it's a cool website. It's called thecoinperspective.com. It can really help you guys when you are. So everybody should have a, you know, investment thesis. Obviously, we talk about it all the time. When are we taking profits? You know, when Bitcoin hits X amount of dollars or whatever. That site can help you set your targets. You know what I mean? It can give you a good range. So if you think Cardano's market cap is going to 100 billion, right? So you go in there, you select Cardano, you select market cap 100 billion, it tells you what the price of the coin would be. You know what I mean? Or if you think Solana can hit Ethereum's market cap, you go in there, you Solana, Ethereum, boom, you know what I mean? And then that can give you a good price point on when you should start pulling your money. You know what I mean? So, I mean, you could also do moon math like we just did, $262 XRP.
Dude, that's so funny. Well, Elliot Luck, you are buying the next round of drinks, right? Because if you put 10K in XRP right now, and you're looking at a 432X on your money,
you're gonna be a freaking quadrillionaire.
Yeah, you're buying. That's all I'm saying, bro. But you gotta remember the little people. You know, we put you on. We gave you the alpha.
Right.
No, absolutely. But so, I mean, for the most part, I think you're about to go to your draft, right?
Yes.
What's up?
Island Ghost Stephanie, what's up?
Oh, how you doing? We just read a ridiculous article.
We never looked in to the Midnight Wallet.
What do you mean? Oh, into getting our own one?
Yeah, of setting up a wallet. The last time we were telling her we're going to set up a wallet. Shit happened. We definitely didn't set it up. I'm gonna write it down.
Okay, we'll put it on.
We have to do that this weekend with everything we got going on.
You know, it'd be
special stream tomorrow, guys.
Special stream. Yes, we're gonna do a special stream with Angel Finance tomorrow. Also, maybe we'll save that giveaway. I don't know if I got it yet, but until tomorrow, and then I don't know. Why don't we? What?
Let's start off Monday with it.
Yeah, we'll start off Monday with it. Sounds good.
Hey, that's all right. You
were at Evo.
You saved yourself from getting COVID like everybody else. Yeah, everybody else got pregnant at friggin' Rare Evo.
Everybody. And it was just so funny to me to see so many people put a picture of their positive COVID test and be like, it's a girl.
I demand the CDC go to Vegas and find patient zero.
Yeah. You know who it was?
The entire Cardano industry.
I bet I know who it was.
Well, at first I was thinking, but then I'm like, yeah, but like, so no, we were around that guy. But
You were
this
doing
guy
the
don't have
contact
it.
tracing in
That
your
guy
head.
definitely has it.
Yeah.
It's like, meh.
Dude, I think it was the Hosky. I think it was whoever was in the Hosky outfit.
In the Hosky outfit.
Yeah.
Here you go, everybody. Island Goat Stephanie is going to be in the World Mobile Calls and Spaces tomorrow. Check it out. I was at an XRP convention. Yes.
I bet that was awesome.
XRP 262. Rewind the channel a little bit.
Yeah. No, yeah. We just read that article.
I do like XRP for sure.
We both like XRP.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, speaking of that, I gotta find my QR code and get my free XRP NFT from the booth at Rare Evo.
Oh, I didn't
track that down. Like my Zoom wallet.
I didn't do that. All right, everybody. Thank you guys for joining us. It has been a fantastic day. I am still sick, so I'm gonna take a nap.
Yes. Hey, what time's the show tomorrow? Let them know.
The show tomorrow is, what did you say? You said 4 p.m. Did we say 4 p.m.?
Did he?
Yeah, he confirmed. 4 p.m. Pacific time. 4 p.m. Pacific time. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to have a special show, and we're going to have CMDR on. We're going to be talking about angel finance. And I don't know. I heard some bullish rumors. I can't say more than that, but
it's really going to zero?
Yeah, it's actually going to zero. We turned the chart upside down. We did the math. We did the TA. So sell your angel now before the show tomorrow, because then we can buy it for a cheaper price. Right? Damn. All right, everybody have an excellent day. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you around. Love you, Elliot Locke. Love you, Marginal Enthusiast, Stephanie, Jaleesa, Risk Gaming, Crypto King, all of you amazing, beautiful people. And everybody like, subscribe, and share. And if you're on Twitter, please go over to YouTube, go to JPEG Empire, and give us a like and subscribe.
If you have a Rumble account, check us out. We are live on Rumble now. I think we made a penny.
We made 2 pennies, actually. So we made 2 pennies on Rumble. We are rolling in it. So now
that's the most. We've only got 3 videos on Rumble, and we've already made more money on Rumble than we have on any of our streams.
On YouTube or Twitter. Come on now. And we got like 300 and something episodes already. So let's go. You know, we got to do something special for the 1000th episode, though, I think.
We're a little ways away, but yeah, we're definitely.
I mean, we're a little ways away, but we're over a quarter of the way. I think we're past 250.
No, I think we're right around 2. I don't know, but I thought it was right around 200. Well, live streams. I think it's live stream. We're right around 200. So
that's fair. Well,
all right, I gotta go. I gotta go whoop Johnny Tran in this draft. I doubt he's watching, but I'm coming for you.
All right, guys.